I am here to install virtual machine using VMware. Then browse, look for your Windows Server 2008 image, then you click next. And after that, you click yes. And we're going to allocate it into 500 MB. Then you click next, finish, and wait. You're going to wait until it's done because it's configuring. Until it's then you see it's setting up its Windows Server. We're waiting it to install. As you can see, it is been installing, and it takes 30 minutes to install Windows Server. So let's be patient. Well, it's installing. It's been almost we'll wait until it's reached 100%. As you can see, it's on 30%, and we're going to wait until it becomes 100. Sometimes it takes longer, more than 30 minutes. So we're going to wait until it's totally done and proceed to the next setup. And we're still waiting until its updates are done. And your virtual machine is going to restart after several times. And we're going to wait until it's being configured. So after you install your Windows Server 2008, and it's the first time you're going to use your server, then you're going to copy the files. And to copy the files, you can click at the right top of your virtual machine, then add to connect to virtual machine. Then you can see your bootable devices, and you can copy your files directly to it. Then the first thing to install is SQL management. As you install your SQL, you're going to unpack its package. Then you're going to wait until there's a pop-up where you can start to configure your installation. Then you're going to wait until it's load, and Same as usual, you're going to just click next after it's completely loaded. And the installation of SQL management is also takes a lot of minutes. And after the files are being all loaded, you're just going to click next. And you see, you already installed your SQL management. Then the second one is the SQL 2008 server. Then same as previous, you're going just to click next until it's been loaded and the setup's being done. You click I accept the terms and conditions. It's fertilizes terms. Then you wait until they check if it's compatible to your PC. Then click next. And there's a field there where you require to, it's not necessary to put those names, but for some purposes you can put a name. So as for me, for example, I put K80, then you click next. And you wait until all the process is being done. Server configuration. And you click next. Next. And for the final packaging, for the installation progress, it is the last part of your installation. And that's it. And the last is SQL 2005. It's for the additional features. You click install. Next. Automatically send. Next. And the requirements are being met. Then it's going to install already. SQL Service Database Service, SQL Database, and SQL Native Client. and click next. So when it's all done, you click finish. And that's it.
So guys, I'm gonna help you set up the Hyper-V. So open the Hyper-V manager, then select new virtual machine. Then the first thing will show up will be this window. All you have to do is click next. Then after that, you're gonna name your virtual machine. I'm gonna name it ALM project. Then check the store virtual machine in a different location if you will save it in another location. So then create a new folder. Then select that folder. Then after that, click next. Next. Then you have to assign a memory to the virtual machine. Click next. Next. Then you're gonna need to adjust its size. I'm gonna adjust it. Okay. Next. After that, you're gonna need a installer of the Windows. Then select the image ISO, or if you have the disk, select the first. Next. Now it's time to install the Windows Server. So all you have to do is to open your virtual machine and boot it up. So as you can see, the boot up is successful and it's trying to install the Windows Server 2008. So the first screen that will show is the installation. So you will choose what language you will use in this operating system. So we set it to English. Next, then install now. After that, we're just gonna have to wait. So you will be selecting which operating system. So we're gonna install the first one. Then accept license terms. Then choose custom advancement. Then choose the disk. And there, we're just gonna need to wait. So I'm gonna cut the video and I'm gonna show you what's the next step after the waiting. So after the long wait, So the Windows is ready to set up itself. So it's preparing your computer for its first use. So we're just gonna wait until the login screen will show up. So this is setting up the password. So okay guys, now I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files, your installer files, to the Hyper-V. So first we're gonna locate where you have installed your virtual machine. Yes. Then double click on the virtual hard disk. Then you're gonna have to go to the user, then administrator. Then you can put it anywhere in the administrator file. In my case, I put it on the desktop. Then to eject it, simply right click, then eject. Then when you boot up your Hyper-V, it will show the installation folders. Right now I'm gonna show you how to install your SQL server. So double click on the installer, then click new installation or add features. Then gonna have to wait. So a new window will pop up, and then check accept license terms. Click next. Then the waiting game. It will take a while. So a new window will pop up again. Then click next. Then just ignore everything, click next. Then we're just gonna have to wait until the installation will be completed. So it's just installing everything I have selected. This process will take about 10 to 15 minutes to install, so I'm just gonna cut the video. So the installation has nearing its completion. Now there you have it, your SQL server has finally been installed. Then that's it.
Hello, this is the second part of SQL Server installation. So first is new installation or add features to an existing installation. Then wait for it. So just click the accept the license items, then click next, then click next, then click next, then next again, then Windows application mode, we click next, next, then waiting for the installation progress. Then the skill server is now successfully finished. Then we're done.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. By the way, I am Rhea
And I'm JR.
and we are installing the ALM. So let us start. Oh.
First, we open the application lifecycle management folder and click next. From there, next. A few seconds.
Wait for a while.
Sometimes our laptop is kind of lag, but we'll proceed later.
It's hungry. OMG. Keep waiting everyone. Kasi naglalag. Oh my god, it's not responding. Patiently waiting. We are patiently waiting to install this application. Hi, Peps.
Yeah.
Ayan, okay.
Now the ALM is
It's running na.
validating, checking the requirements. It's being installed. Getting the components, copying the files. The installation is complete. It's easy. Now we open the server configuration wizard. And this is the welcome page of the server configuration. Click next. Check the evolution key, the next. Here you can see the database server, DBOS name, you type local host, and the data type is MS SQL Windhoek. Click next. And the schema name,
Site name.
click next. It's now validating user settings. The security, yes. Check the use default value. Then type your security passphrase. Retype it again. Then click next. And they show that they want.
Okay, on the site administrator user, you can type your username and your sendo and your password, and you will retype your password. Then click next. Then browse next ulit. Next.
Click next.
Click next. Then in the HPLM service, we can put the username for administrator. Oh my god. Administrator. Oh, naghang. Sorry guys. Okay. Administrator.
Then set for password.
Then the password, the administrator, then the domain. And for the domain, we can get the domain on the computer. Properties. We can configure the domain of the computer, change settings, change. Then we will copy this computer name as the domain. Copy. Okay. Then we can paste it in here on the domain. After pasting, we click next. And then yes. Just click yes. Next. Next. So apply configuration. We will wait for the result. So ano.
Wait na lang.
Oh my god, it's hot. I-edit.
Wait na lang. Wait for a few minutes to finish the configuration.
As you can see, it's
Takes
oh yeah, it takes time to so patiently waiting.
Payag mo pa eh. Pumayag mo pa. Okay na?
18, yeah. As you can see, the progress is come to going to finish. Ay. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys, if you're trying to install the ALM, you keep patient. You keep patiently waiting because takes time to finish this kind of software.
Yeah, right.
Mhm. Yes, Jer, what do you want to say to the viewers?
To the viewers, beware of dogs.
Viewer, viewer of dogs. No, what do you call with this? You can entertain them or you can tell them that what kind of software these things.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So that they
Dapat lang mag mag-Indian.
mag-Indian. What do you
Indian
mean?
translation.
Oh my God, I don't know
We
that.
will try the
I do not want-
Indian translation later.
Do you want to speak me in Korean? Yeah,
Yeah.
I just see. Yeah, try.
Siguro. Ikakatong siguro yung para approve.
It's hot, you know. My temperature is going up. Oh, you're so kapal. You're so kapal. Oh my God. As you can see, the progress